Hi friends, this is your Srinivas. Welcome to our channel and as well as also welcome to Mathematics second session. Before going to start the session, I want to say to you, now our Telangana sisters, I am giving to my warm wishes to Sabdula Batkama as well as Happy Dasara to all and my dear friends. And see friends, yes, mathematics is not a cramp. It is like a novel as well as puzzle. Then you can read off the phobia of this subject. Yes, you have to follow the techniques of a mathematics. It can be useful for fast calculation. Yes friend, you have to remember math is much more than enough for fast class calculation. It can gives logical thinking as well as right mindset. Yes, I trust to this word, and let us see that is such a beautiful, important technique. Technique number 1. Okay, friends. Now trick number 1, multiplication tricky. Yes, 2 digits are multiplied with 2 digits. Here 3 digits are multiplied with 3 digits. Now fraction of seconds we should get the answer. What is the technique? Let us see. Now friend, if you multiply these two, you should get 2024 something answer you will get. It will take some time, 1 or 2 minutes it will take. But you follow this technique, it will come in 5 seconds. Let us see. Yes, but here one procedure is very important. Condition is there. Tens digits numbers are same, and sum of these two must be 10. Yes, once again, here tens digit positions are equal, and the sum of unit position numbers are nothing but 10. This technique will be possible. 6 4s are 24. 6 into 4, 24 friends. Now 4 after, next number is 5. 4 5s are 20. Yes, your answer is completed. Yes, now 7 3s are 21. Okay, 3 after 4, 3 into 4, 12. Your answer is 37 into 33, nothing but 12 21. Right friends? Now when 3 digits are there, simple. Yes, these tens, 100 digits are same, and sum of these two 10 ones digit positions are equals to 10. Then you can write 4 6 are 24, 4 6 are 24, and 42 after, next number is 43 friends. 42 after, next number is 43. 42 into 43, nothing but 1806. 1806. Yes, 424 into 426, nothing but like 80,624. Right? Now here also you should observe. Yes, tens, 100 digits are same. Clear? Now unit position sum of numbers are equals to 10. Now 8 2s are 16. Clear? Now 52 after, next number is 53. Product of these two, 52 into 53, 2756. 2756. That means 2,75,616. Yes friends, this technique you have to apply for any kind of questions. Yes, that remember, you have to remember here tens position numbers are same. Here tens and 100 positions are numbers are same. Unit sum of unit position numbers are must be equals to 10. You follow this technique, any kind of four number digits also it can be possible. Dear friends, now let us see one more good question. Yes friends, in competitive exams like a SSC exam and banking exam, any kind of exams, this kind of decimal values are coming in the paper. We have to solve the question in fraction of second. Every question carries 1 minute only. In 1 minute only we have to read the question and bubbling the answer. In such cases we have to save the time. In this way this technique will be useful for you. Yes, here sum of 4 decimal values are given. The decimal positions are different each other. Okay, now right now here 20, here 0.200, here 0.220, here 0.002. In this question we have to solve in fraction of second. Just the technique is that balancing the equation. Yes, here right side, here you see my dear friends, look at here. Here right side 2 positions are there. Here 3, here 3, here 3. Here you can add 1 0. Okay, then immediately you can check the addition only, plus means addition only, we have to check the all unit position value, first values. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2. Nothing but 2. Yes. In this option, where is 2? Here, not there. Here, not there. Here, not there. Yes, this is your answer. Clear. Okay. This is the way we have to solve the question. Okay, friends. And one more important thing, you have to understand, you are enjoying these techniques. Now, when I am giving the question, when I am writing the question on the board, you can write the comment section, the answers also. Then you have to interact with me. And if you are happy with my teaching, please subscribe my channel and give the likes also. Now let us go with trick number 3, friends. Yes, percentage trick. Yes, 24% of 60% of 4 by 3 of 18,000. Children, friends, these kind of questions also we have to see familiar in our competitive exams. In this exam, we have to solve the question in 3 seconds. Let us see the answer. In what way we have to see that? Now, 24% of 60% of 4 by 3 of 18,000. Yes, here 2 zeros, here 2 zeros, total 4 zeros. Yes, this 3 plus 1, 4 zeros get cancelled. Now 24 into 6 into 4 by 3 into 8 in 3, 1 ja 3 6 ja. Now product of these all 24 4 ja 144, 4 6 ja 24, nothing but 3456. Yes, your answer is there. Okay, now 24 percentage means divided by 100, 60 percentage means divided by 100, 4 by 3 into percent into 18,000, 1 2 3. Okay, 1020, 1020 get cancelled, 1010 get cancelled, 1010 get cancelled. Yes, 3 1 ja 3 6 ja 18. Now 24 into 6 into 4 into 6, 24 into 6 into 4 into 6. Clear. Okay, now let us see one more good technique, friends. See trick number 4. Such a good questions are there. These questions are you have to see familiar in intermediate books, also in competitive exams. These kind of questions we have to solve in fraction of second. It is not easy, but we have to do that in fraction of seconds also. This kind of odd questions also. Let us see first what is the general method, what is the traditional method. We have to solve this question. Let us see, friends. Yes, I am choosing here this total term is equals to x. I am choosing, I am assuming let x is the total value. Yes, square root of 12 plus 12 plus square root of 12 plus and so on. Yes, friends, put it as a equation number 1. Yes, I am doing here one thing here. The terms are in the terms of square root. Yes, I am doing that squaring on both sides. What we will get here? Yes, squaring on both sides, nothing but square root of 12 plus square root of 12 plus square root of 12 plus and so on. Yes, squaring on both sides, LHS and RHS. Usually we should get here x square and square, and this first root get cancelled. I should get 12 plus square root of 12 plus square root of 12 plus square root of 12 and so on. It is clear. And dear friends, you should observe, now x square is equals to 12. You have to write as it is, dear friends. Now nothing but yes, you might be get this value is nothing but x only. Yes, substitute all, put it at left side, it becomes 2 quadratic equation. Clear? X square minus x minus 12. Yes, minus 12 factors, sufficient factors, 3 4 ja 12. Clear? X square minus x minus 12. Now splitting process. Yes, I have to keep the minus at 4 and plus at 3. Plus into minus, minus 3 4 ja 12. Sufficient factors. Now minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 equals to 0. Put the common x minus 4. Take the common constant x minus 4. Yes, x minus 4 and x plus 3 are the factors. Now x equals to 4 comma 3 minus 3 are the roots. Now this total value is nothing but x equals to positive number is 4. Because here plus is there, we can go with positive number plus 4. Answer is 4. Clear? This kind of solution we have to done by 1 or 2 minutes. But this total answer we have to solve in 5 seconds. Let us see that magic. Yes, here 12. Yes, 12. 12 factors. The difference should be, the factors difference should be 1. The factors are 3 and 4 usually. It is clear. Now here what is the sign will be there in the question, friends? Positive. Positive means in these two, which is bigger? 4 is the bigger. Answer is 4. Yes. Clear? Now let us see second question in this technique also. Yes, 6 factors, 2, 3 are 6. The difference should be 1. 1, 6 are 6 factors only, but difference is 5. 2 and 3 only have the difference is 1. So 2 and 3, the difference is 1. In these two factors, what is the correct answer among this question, friends? Here minus is there. Yes, minus means small one. Who is small one? 2. Yes, answer is 2. Yes, this is the way. And one more good question upon same question. For example, here root 5, root 5, root 5, like this question will come. Here plus is there in these two bigger one we are choosing. Here minus is there in these two smaller one we are choosing as the answer. But when on multiplication, same number will be reflect. What is the same number? What is the question? That is the answer. 5 into 5 into 5. That means 5 only. That is your answer, friends. Now let us go with one more good technique. Yes, friends. Now one more good technique, beautiful technique. Square of a numbers up to 10,000. Square of a number or square root of a numbers we have to learn up to 10,000 in easiest manner. Friends, I could have such idea about the square of a numbers up to 30 in my mind, up to 20 in your mind. Sometimes it will cross over the 30 or 40, 50 like that, 78 square, 79 square. In this way, we have to solve the question. Okay, na friends? Now by seeing this condition, you can understand in this festival season, you have to give these questions to your friends, these tricks, share to and discuss with your siblings. Then you can enjoy the holidays. I hope that. Okay, friends? Now let us see 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16, 5 square, 25, 6 square, 36, 7 square, 49, 8 square, 64, 9 square, 81. Clear? Very clear. You should observe here, only some numbers only in unit place are coming in squares and square roots. What are the numbers? 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 only. 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1. These are the numbers only will be there in unit place. Such a number is called perfect square of a number. Such numbers are there 2, 3, 7, 8. For suppose 2, 3, 7, 8 such a numbers are there in a unit place. The numbers never gets a perfect squares. It is clear, friends. Remember this idea. And here 1 will be repeated. 1 will be gets from 1 square and 9 square. You see 9 square 1 will be there. Here 1 will be there in a unit place. Now 4 will be you should get from 2 square and 8 square. 2 square is 4, 8 square equals 64. In this unit place we should get 4. Now as well as 9 from 3 and 7, 6 from 6 and 4 and 6 friends. This idea also we have to use in these conditions. Now in this solving the problem. Friends, 529 clear. Now this 500 is between the, now for 500 between the 20 square and 30 square. 20 square and 30 square between this value will be there. This is also one of the technique for we have to solve the question in easiest manner. Let us see, friends. Let us see. Here half of these two 25 square. Half of these two is 25. 25 square means 625. It is clear. Now this value is more than of 625 or less than of 25? 625. Yes, less than of 625. Very clear. And before solving this one, here unit place is what? 9. 9 we should get from 3 and 7. Yes, 9 we should get from 3 or 7. Clear? 3 square 9 and 7 square 49. Yes. Now this value between 20 square and 30 square. Half of the 20 and 30, 25. 25 square is 625. This value is more than of this value. This value is less than of this value. Otherwise, this value is more than of this value. Then you can take here 2 from 25 square 2. Less than, no? This value is less than of this value, no? Less means before number. First number. That is nothing but 23 square. Square root of 23 square is nothing but, yes, square root of 529 value is simply we can say that 23. Let us see one more good question, friends. Yes, Here I have written 4 questions. You can understand that easy, very easy, 100%, 200% easy. Now let us see. Here unit place 6. 6 where I have to get, where we will get from the two numbers. What are the numbers, friends? 4 and 6. It is clear. And yes, 12 and between the 30 square and 40 square. Yes, friends, 30 and 40 very easy. 3 3s are 9 and 2 zeros. 40 square means 4 4s are 69, 2 zeros. Very easy. Everybody. 5 square, 5 table, 10 table, 11 table, 20 table, 100 table. These are very easy, no? Like that. Half of these two, 35. 35 technique already I told in our first session. This is the second session, math tricks, friends. First session I told you 35 square, very easy. Yes, 5 5s are 25, 3 after 4, 3 4s are 12. 12 25, very easy. That's techniques also everybody have to remember. Okay, man, it might be useful for you, right? Now, yes, this 12 25, this 12 96, which is bigger here? This is the bigger. This is the bigger, more than of this one. So you can take 3 here as it is. Bigger means second value, 36 whole square. Now square root cancel. Square root of 1296 is nothing but 36, friends. 36 only. Now let us see one more good question. 2000 square root of 2304. Square root of 2304. Here 4. 4 from 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Yes, here 40 square 1600. 50 square is 2500. This value will be between these two square of numbers. Between of these two, yes, 45 square. 45 square means by the knowledge of session 1, very easy and 2025. 2025, clear. Now friends, this value is more than of this value. This value is more than of this value. Means you can take 4 here. More means next number, 48. Whole square, square root cancel. Square root of 2304, nothing but 48. Very clear. And last question, but not a least question, friends. You have to understand very easily. See carefully. Keen observation. Here 1. Where I should get the 1? Where we should get the 1? Yes. 1 and 9. 1 square 1. 9 square 1. Yes. At 1 and 9 only. Friends. Now let us observe. 70 square 4900. 80 square 6400. This value will be lie between square of 70 square and 80 square. Half of these two usually is 75 square. 75 square by the knowledge of session 1, yes, 5625. Comparing to these two values, dear friends, this is the more than of this value. More than means you can take 7 as it is. From this you can take 7. You can here also from this you can take here you can take from this 2, from this 3, from this 4, here from this 7. Okay, you can take 7. More than of this value is more than of this value means you can take 9. So 79 whole square. Square root cancel. You should get 79. Yes, simply we can write square root of 6241 value is 79. Like this, up to 10,000 you have to solve the any kind of question you have to give to anybody. Then you will tell that after the answer in the easiest manner, they will be very happy. You will be happy. I will be happy, my dear friends. I hope that you have to understand what I teach. Just 5 tricks for you. These tricks can be useful for fast calculation. Remember, friends, maths much easy by follow these techniques. It can be gives a logical thinking and right mindset. Kind of beautiful notification you want daily in your mobile. You have to make a subscription. Simple, free and cost. Just to do subscription, you will get such kind of beautiful educational videos in your mobile. You will get it, and tricks also. You be learn. Happy festival.